Hey everyone, my name's Gabby and today I'm going to quickly show you how you can open up your Kia key fob for our new smart key and replace the battery. First off, you're going to want to make sure your vehicle has this style key fob, and one of the main differences we get with this smart key is the fact that the mechanical key is completely separate. It's good to always make sure you have one of these on you at all times, because if your battery does die in the fob, you're going to need this to get into your car. So I've gone ahead and I have one attached, and I've taken off the other one just for ease of this video. I'll take the sheath off the key, and what I'm going to do with the fob itself to pry it open is, if you can see there by the leatherette key tag, there's a little bit of an indent, and in this indent I'm going to stick the mechanical key to use as leverage to pry the backing of the key off. Now you're going to want to work gently with this. These keys are expensive, so you do not want to break them. Give it a little bit of a pop, and then I like to get my finger in there to lift everything off. Nice and easy. From there, you can see the battery size we need is CR2450, so CR2450. This is the battery. It is absolutely huge. You can pull it out nice and easy. I should probably put the key away. Push it out, take it out easy, and then replace it with a new one of course, the exact same make. And it's as easy as that. Of course, to put everything back together, you'll first put in the battery, and then you will line up the key with its clip points and give it a nice solid push until you hear everything click, oh my goodness, into place. Now my key fob is back to working, no problem. I will say these batteries generally have a very long lifespan, so it'll probably be a pretty long time before you even need to do this, but it's always better to know in advance. That way when it happens, you're not stuck. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.